Let's talk about the Gartley formation pattern. So when coming up with the Gartley pattern, you have to use the Fibonacci retracement ratio. And the Fibonacci retracement ratio that you would have to use is the 61.8 and the 1.272, which is also known as the Fibonacci extension. Again, that's the Fibonacci retracement ratio of 61.8 and the 1.272 Fibonacci extension. If you look at the X is considered the impulse leg. So you will have to find the 61.8 retracement from X to A to identify when price will change from one move to the other. So the main thing to do here is identify the zone from the B point. And to identify a valid B point in the Gartley formation, price must hit the 61.8 retracement from X to A. However, price must not touch, absolutely not touch, the 7.86, or it will be considered invalid. So now we have to identify the C point. So during this time, price action must go from A to B and touch the 61.8 retracement from A to B. But if price do not push past point A, then it is considered a valid C point. If price pushes past A, it is considered invalid. And once all those points have been identified correctly, then you would have a valid Gartley pattern. And once price pushes down to point D, you can then look to enter the trade. And please do not forget to enter your stop loss and your take profit when doing so. And I just want you to be aware that you can always adjust your take profit and your stop loss, so don't be afraid to go ahead and put that in.